Now turn around. Yup, because he's still learning. Put your foot down. Turn around. Turn around. Okay. So 125. Mama's learning how to ride. She fucking caught quick. She caught on quick. I'm proud of her. So 125. Mama's learning how to ride. She fucking caught quick. She caught on quick. I'm proud of her. I'm proud of her. She caught on quick. Look at that. Alright, brake. Damn, girl. Yeah. You did it. First gear.
I'm so scared. I don't know if I should leave the clutch though. Or
no, put it in neutral.